Hello guys, this is not tutoring. I'm showing you how I did it and where all the research that I did, and this is I came up with. I already tested it and it works fine. All I did is just add a sub on the stock radio, and I put the line out converter, which is this one right here. Oops, there you go. I was gonna see if it's gonna focus. Adjustable line out converter, which is that's the one I put, and the speakers is this side right here. Sorry for that dirty work. Kind of like lazy to make it really fancy, but that's all. But it sounds pretty good though. It works. That's all that matters. But and this is your ACC blue wire. You got one here, and for the speakers on this side, and this one is for your RCA for the sub for your amp. And this one I already run the positive on that side, so I'm gonna run this one the same way, but the speaker side I'm gonna run it on this side, which is right here. I'm gonna take it off and hide the cables. Once I'm done, I'm gonna show you the result. Ciao for now. Well, I'm done putting the subs and the amp. I don't know if you guys can hear clearly, but the sound is really awesome. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but the way I did it is like, so my wiring's still hanging out, but amp is right there, and I still gotta put the capacitor, but I ran out of cable. I'll probably just do it next time. But it sounds good. It turned out pretty nice. All right, guys.